Tuesday, April 26th. It's the birthday bash for international recording star out of Jamaica, Future FAMBO.
Yo, check it out, this is Future FAMBO. You know it's all about Pum Pum Tuesday, 26th April. Future FAMBO's birthday bash. I will be there live. It's the way we go. BASHMENT.
And he'll be performing hit songs like Rum RedBull.
I'm drinking rum and red.
Blood clot song.
Tell a boy this is the blood clot song.
And much more. Doors open 10 p.m. $10 rum punch all night long. Authentic Jamaican cuisine served by the Jerk Club. Taking place at El Cid. Located at 4212 Sunset Boulevard, Hollywood, California, 90029. Get your tickets now only on Eventbrite. Keywords Future FAMBO and Pum Pum Tuesday. For VIP table service and RSVP call 424-228-0569. That's 424-228-0569. It's the birthday bash for Future FAMBO. Tuesday, April 26th at Pum Pum Tuesday.